Clarence Thomas, in the immunity ruling, had raised the issue that Jack Smith's appointment is unconstitutional, that it wasn't an appropriate appointment. Because Thomas writes that, can you explain for me, Will Scharf, President Trump's attorney, can you explain to me, does that hold weight, Clarence Thomas's ruling? Is it just a guidebook for you and the team to go down? What does that mean when he says that in this decision, in his accompanying writings for Clarence Thomas?
So as you said, Clarence Thomas wrote a concurring opinion in our presidential immunity case that says that he believes that Jack Smith is not constitutionally exercising the powers that he's using, that he can't constitutionally be bringing indictments of this kind because he wasn't appointed by the president and he's never been confirmed by the Senate. That's an issue that we had raised in the Florida documents case that Jack Smith also brought. And that's an issue that Judge Cannon in the Southern District of Florida is currently considering. She's received motions and briefing on it. She's even received oral argument on that point. We believe that Justice Thomas's opinion is quite clear and absolutely accurate. We said that actually at oral argument before the Supreme Court. And we hope that his opinion, given how well written it is, has an impact on how Judge Cannon considers those issues down in Florida. But anytime Clarence Thomas is speaking, I think judges across America should listen. This is a man who is thoroughly brilliant. I believe he's one of the greatest Supreme Court justices in American history. And he certainly believes, as he stated in that opinion, that what we have here is a prosecution that violates fundamental constitutional principles about the separation of powers, about executive power. You can't just have rogue prosecutors running around bringing indictments like this. And Justice Thomas's opinion makes that very clear.